In this video, I'm going to let you know how to use Vimeo for beginners. I'm going to show you a step-by-step procedure on how you can actually use Vimeo. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions guide. Now, first of all, open up a browser and go to vimeo.com. And on this page, you can see this is how it's going to look like. So right on this page, you can either get a premium account or you could join for free. If you want to join for free, then click on join for free, and if you want to see the plans, you could go ahead and check out the plans as well and subscribe and get a subscription. Now to join for free, press that and you need to start with creating your account. So you could either go with your Google account or an email address, whichever is convenient for you, you can do that. So I'm gonna basically go with my email address, so I'm gonna type in that. And click on continue with email. Once you've done that, now type in your first name and the last name as well as create a password. Once done, click on join Vimeo located right at the bottom. So now that you've successfully created a Vimeo account, select whether you've actually selected or joined Vimeo. Now I'm gonna go with marketing and business. Click on continue. Once you've done that, there will be some certain terms and conditions, so you can go through it. So right on this page, you can see this is the plan. You could go ahead and upgrade it, or you can just click on the cross button from the top right and cancel it. So basically what you have to do is, in order to use Vimeo, you can either upload it from your computer, the images or the photos, or you can import it from the drive or create your own template by tapping on this, or record from a screen or webcam. Likewise, you could also go ahead and host an event or a web binders. You can select the file like this and you can just go ahead and explore all of these features. So it is quite familiar to Canva. If you're familiar with Canva, then you can easily use a Vimeo app. Now, this does not mean that it is as simple as using Canva. Now, the Vimeo has their own features as compared to Canva. So you could go ahead and explore all of these informations, explore all of the feature that is listed out, and that's basically how you can use Vimeo for beginners. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.